Hey, YouTube. Tick tock. Tick tock. Where the fuck is my diamond play button? It's been 84 years. Yeah, that's right, YouTube. I said it. You think I'm scared like all these other pussy-ass YouTubers like Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, or Cinnamon Toast Ken?
Oh shit! What up?
Oh shit, it's your boy!
Your boy!
Yeah!
It's your boy!
Welcome to the roast!
Woo!
Big shit! Prepare to get infiltrated! What's the word? Infiltrated! Prepare to get annihilated!
Oh!
Oh! Hey YouTube! What a great streaming service you got there with YouTube Red. Too bad Netflix has already been a thing.
Oh, Netflix is on your thing, bitch!
Please still fund YouTube Scare PewDiePie, YouTube Red.
But you ain't shit, bitch.
That's right, you ain't shit though, bitch. And how about that YouTube streaming service? Good thing Twitch isn't already a thing.
Oh God, the truth! He speaks the truth!
I speak
Jesus!
the truth.
Oh, Jesus! Ah! Tell him what's up, tell him what's up.
Hey YouTube, that comment system is fucking awesome. Just kidding, it sucks.
Oh, the power of pews compels you!
It's-
The power of pews
It compels you.
Woo!
Are you compelled?
Woo!
Are you
I feel
compelled?
the Holy Spirit of
Oh,
PewDiePie!
yeah.
Woo!
Ooh, is it hot in here, or is your ass just getting roasted?
Two rubber ducks, bitch!
Rubber duck. Wait, what the fuck? Hey YouTube, Google Plus was a great idea. Too bad Facebook isn't already a thing.
Oh, clown art!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Leave a like!
Hey YouTube, I'm proud of you. You made so much money throughout the year. Oh wait, you didn't make shit. Oh! How about you take more than 45% of our income?
Wait. What?
Yeah, they take 45%.
45%?
45%. YouTube gaming, more like YouTube laming. Up top. You missed on purpose, right?
YouTube Red. More like you porn.
You.
RedTube.
Hey YouTube, your search algorithm is so corrupt it makes Vladimir Putin look like Jesus.
Oh, Jesus!
Do we need another Leafy? Do we need another clickbait piece of shit?
Amen!
Who the fuck is that?
I think it's me.
Check it out.